Hi, Chris here from Technical Prospects with another tech tip. Today, we'll be talking about the park positions for the overhead tube assembly. You might get a service call for the table not moving to the full 90-degree position. The most common cause of this issue is the overhead tube not being in the park position. If the overhead tube is in the park position, you should see a P illuminated right here on the overhead tube assembly. The reason there's no P in the display is because the overhead tube is not in the park position. Now, it's in the park position, and your table will move to 90 degrees. This is one of the brackets for the park position. You have one on the transverse and one on the longitudinal side. Basically switches right on the overhead tube assembly, and when it toggles on that bracket, it knows it's in park. So it's very important that when you choose the park position, you choose it to a place where the table will not interfere with the overhead tube. The only way the table knows where the overhead tube is by those two brackets. For any further questions, please see our resources or contact us.